Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I'll be sharing with you how to cut and sew shirt top. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. To my returning subscriber, thank you for always here. Today's video, not using drafting paper, I'm cutting directly from my fabric. If you are cutting directly from the fabric, you fold your fabric into two. First of all, you cut the back part first. Cut the back first because the opening is at the front. Cut the back first. So fold your fabric into two. The measurement for today are the shoulder length 16, the bust measurement is 40, the waist 38, while the hip is 45. The half length is 17. This shirt is without that. First of all, measure the shoulder length, which is 16, divided by 2, 8. Because it's not a puff sleeve, I'll be adding half inch to it. So I'll measure the armhole. Then 1 inch down for the sleeve, 1 inch down from the shoulder length. Neckline is 3 inches by 1. Then this way 1 inch. Then you make your cuff. Then take the armhole. Locate the center of the armhole to get your armhole cuff. So take your shoulder slant. When you are taking the measurement, you add 5 inches to all your measurements. Because this shirt is not a tight shirt, but it's a shaping shirt. So you add each of your measurements, the bust, the waist, the hip, add 5 inches to it. So to my bust now, which is 40, I'm adding 5 inches to it divided by 4. That's 45 divided by 4, making 11 1/4. So right now I'm marking 11 1/4. So 11 1/4. From the half length is 17. Then that's where I'll take my waist measurement, which is 9.5. The waist measurement is 38 plus 5, making 43 divided by 4, which is 10 3/4. I'm making 10 3/4. The length of the blouse, the length of the shirt is 25 with the allowance. I'm making it 26. So 45 plus 5, which is 50 divided by 4. Divided by 4. This 50 divided by 4, making 12 1/4. So this is the length of the shirt. So I'll connect it together. Where the armhole, I'll draw my armhole to meet. So I'll cut it out. When you want to have sharp edge here, you go up by 1 inch. So go up by 1 inch. Then I'll make my cuff. Cut it out. I'll use the back to cut out my front shirt. Fold the fabric into two. Fold the fabric into two. This time around, it has a button at the front, so you are going to give button allowance, and the button allowance is 3 inches. Place the back part. You create 3 inches for the button allowance, 3 inches for the button allowance. Then we cut it. So mark where the neckline stop. Mark where the neckline stop. Notch the button allowance. You notch the button allowance. After notching the button allowance, took out the back, then the button allowance, fold it inside. So already you have marked where the 3 inches stop. Then you go down by 3 inches. The depth will be 3 inches. Then make a curve V. Make a curve V neckline, not round. Make a curve V neckline. Make a curve V neckline. Then you cut out. So open the button allowance. Next thing is to open the button allowance. Cut your sleeve. Join the shoulder before you cut the collar. After joining the shoulder, you cut the collar. So right now I'll go and join the shoulder for the button allowance inside this way. Then you want do the same to the two sides. You do the same to these two sides. As I fold the button allowance, you have to shape. As I fold the button allowance, shape this piece. Cut this piece out. Cut it out. Cut it out there. Join the shoulder. Right side, we feel the right side. Then you join your shoulder. Join the shoulder. Two sides. After you have joined the shoulder, you measure the neckline this way. Measure from here, go like this. Measure the neckline. The neckline is 21 3/4. It's 21. Sorry, the neckline is 20 3/4. So you cut out the neckline. So the neckline is 20 3/4. So we cut out the collar. You can fold it into two. You can make it in one side. Fold your paper into two. First of all, cut the band. So the neckline round after measuring it is 20 3/4. So divide by 2, making it 10, almost 10.5. So you measure it. Almost 10.5. Make the 10. This is 10.3. Use this one so that it's 10.3. Then you add your sewing allowance to it. The 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Take 2 inch all through. Take your 2 inch all through. That's really. Inch. Then you go in by 1/2 inch. So this is 1/2 inch. Then you now make your cuff. Go in by 1/2 inch. Then you make your now make your cuff. At this point, you make your cuff. Then you cut it out. It will be 9 3/4. 4 inches, it will be 9 3/4. This is 9 3/4. Then you make 3 inches. 3 inches all through. Okay. But don't forget at this point you make it as normal measurement as you make for this one. So you measure, take it 1 inch. Measure that 1 inch back. Then you will it. Then make a slant line from this point to this point. So after that, you go down by 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch. Then you make a straight line from this point now to this point. So from this point now, then you make your line. Now let's cut it. Now I will use this pattern to cut out my fabric as you are seeing in this video. When cutting out your fabric, you fold it into two. Don't forget that you fold it into two. Your collar to stand very well. Use collar gun, but in this video, as you can see, I use hair plate to gum my collar. Then you first of all join the upper part of the collar. As you are seeing in the video, join it together. After joining it, you turn it up. You turn it. After you join it, you turn it out. As you are seeing in this video, follow the steps you are seeing in this video. On that side. Then you now turn it out. First one. Now notch the center of it. So this is the center. I take the band. The cut side will be up. It's one up. It's one up. Then locate the center of the band. Notch it. Locate the center and notch it. Then this one will be in between of them. This way. This way. All of them will be at the center. Make it at the center there. And also associate the two sides. You notch it so that it will relax when turning it out. You notch it. And you bring it out. As you can see, it's very good iron press. Very good iron press. When facing the collar to the main body, you turn it this way. Start like this. You pick one side of this band to attach it to you pick one side of the band, attach it to the main body, as I see in this video, like this. Then you sew it all through. Sew it all through this way. Sew it all through. Sew it all through. after you sew one side to the body, then you use this one to cover the rough edges. You use the second part to cover the rough edges this way. Then you sew. This way, you can use your pin to hold it down. Then you sew. So I see. So see the inside. This is the outside of the collar. The inside and the outside has covered the rough edges of the neckline.